Meaning of garbage man.
Garbage man.
Garbage man.
Garbage man.
Garbage man. The term garbage man refers to a municipal worker who collects and disposes of waste and recyclable materials from residential, commercial, and industrial areas. Garbage men typically work in teams, driving specialized trucks equipped with compacting mechanisms to compress the collected waste. They are responsible for ensuring that waste materials are properly sorted and disposed of in an environmentally responsible manner. Garbage men play a crucial role in maintaining clean and healthy living environments for communities around the world, and their work is essential to promoting public health and safety.